Hi guys, happy 2024, and I want to start this year with my wish list for year 2024. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. In fact, I want to say huge thank you for all my supporters, regular subscribers of course, but a very special thank you for my members only, because to me it's kind of, you really pledge your support to me, to my channel, because nobody, especially when entertainment industry, it's like all around us, every single person could open their own channel. Someone who is willing to pay any amount of money to watch somebody, to me it's a true supporter and true enthusiast of DIY, let's put it this way. So, and if you guys considering to join my members only, I highly encourage you. It's only 99 cents per month, and you don't have to commit it, I don't know, for a year or so. You can try 1 month and then see if it's working out for you. If not, you don't have to continue. It's just gonna cost you 99 cents. Anyway, thank you very much for all my supporters last year, and hopefully rolling to the year 2024. And I want to start my video with kind of wish list of year 2024, what I'm hoping to achieve in this year, and what's my dreams for this year. And number one dream for me for this year is to take care of my health. And when I say take care of my health, it's not that I have some kind of bad disease or anything like that. No, it's just like, I was 55 last year. This year I will be 56, and I'm planning to do some kind of, hopefully, if everything gonna work out, kind of early retirement, rolling into early retirement, not full retirement completely, but just kind of like, transition into early retirement, because I don't want to be in idea of retiring 65 plus and then pretty much you work like a donkey all your life, and when you finally retire you don't want to do anything. I want to kind of trying to retire in age when I still willing to do something, when I'm willing to travel, etc. Because last year, if you follow me guys, you know that I went to Spain. And the reason for that, because I did some kind of research of potentially snowbirding to Spain, or maybe even potentially retire to Spain, because as you know, say we work really hard, but whatever dollars we are made in North America, the life in North America is much more expensive compared to, let's say, in Spain. So those dollars will stretch really farther in Spain. At least that's how I see it. So I wanna, I will start talking about health, and now I'm already moving into the travel. Let's go back to goal number one. It's my health. And as I said, because I work in really stressful environments for the last 20 plus years, and I want to learn how to relax, how to do that stress management in this year. Because, and often when people talking about the health, and especially in this age, like 50 plus, or should I say now 55 plus, mostly people talking about losing weight. And it's not that I'm saying I don't want to lose any extra weight this year, but it's not my priority. If I'm gonna shed, like, I don't know, a few pounds here and there, I will be really happy, but it's not my priority. For me, it's more about being really stress-free. If I could put, it's number one priority for me this year, because sometimes losing weight, if you're really pushing yourself too hard, it's also stress. And I've been really, at least I was trying to be healthy all my life. I do exercises every week. Occasionally, like, it doesn't like 3 times per week I'm doing weights. No, nothing like that. I'm doing maybe like once a week some weights. I'm doing once a week Zumba. I'm doing once a week yoga. But it's not kind of like, you know, I'm stressing myself out. Yes, I have to do workouts 3 times a week. Nothing like that. I'm trying to go with the flow, and as I said, once again, learning to relax. The next things, and I already mentioned, I wanna move into retirement and be once again stress-free, and I want to travel more. I already mentioned that I already spent some time last year in Spain. I want to continue to explore Spain this winter as well, hopefully, and see where it's gonna take me. So this is kind of like first 2 goals: taking care of my health and travel more if it's possible, as much as possible, let's put it this way. When it comes to, you know, appearance, this year what I want to take care more, I purchased few fat dissolving products, and I'm gonna talk about them a little bit more furthermore, and they're specifically designed for face, for double chin, for buccal fats, and my understanding, you can also use them under the eyes, and I want to try to you know, kind of, you know, minimize those puffy eyes as possible, because I did several times Derma Heal Eye Bag Solution, and it's a wonderful product. But Derma Heal Eye Bag Solution is more for drainage of the extra fluids under your eyes. Like, you know, if you have those puffy eyes because you accumulate the fluid, there is no really drainage working properly under your eyes. So that's kind of like those ways. It's not really dissolving the fats. So I want to do something trying to dissolve like those fatty bags under my eyes, and slowly but surely improving those conditions of the face. The next things that I want to do, I want to continue working on my jawline, doing some threads, furthermore maybe doing some PDRN treatments to kind of like, you know, tighten skin, etc. The next things that I want to really kind of start doing a little bit more aggressive is like, you know, treatments for my hands, kind of like, you know, maybe a little bit more of the microneedling, a little bit more of the injections of hyaluronic acids and PDRN treatments, etc. So this is what I'm kind of like, you know, hoping to achieve. I think I might do a little bit of the fillers, but I will try to go as much away from the fillers as possible, because I wanna kind of, you know, making my face slimmer and slimmer. I don't wanna, you know, put extra volume into my face unless it was in specific spots that I needed. It's not just overall, it just maybe in some targeted specific areas. I want to continue working on improving my tummy, and I already did several you know, sessions of threads on my tummy, and I see myself personally quite a bit of improvement on my tummy. I know it may not shows on camera as much, but I definitely can see that improvement, and I want to continue doing that improvement as well. And I guess, as I already mentioned, kind of going back to the health, I want to kind of trying to implement, not in the sense of the diet, because I really hate this word, but more in the sense of the lifestyle. I want to implement more and more kind of fruits and vegetable driven diet. I'm not sure if I can completely eliminate a meat out of my diet this year. Maybe it's going to be a gradual process, but I want to kind of like, you know, eat less meat and more vegetables this year, and like, you know, healthy grains, like for example buckwheat grain, or more beans, etc. Something that's really good for the body, something that's really good for the gut health, because I know in the last several years, I really destroy my gut completely. So I want something that taking care of my gut, because like, you know, all this beauty comes from the within of the gut, and I want to really improve in that area. So I want to kind of, you know, just a little bit touch base of, I would say, realistic approach to my wish list this year. I want to know, guys, what is your wish list when it comes to nourishing your body, when it comes to nourishing your health, when it comes to nourishing your beauty. Please put all your comments below. So I guess that's about it for today, and I hope to see you on my next one.